Aloha from Singapore and welcome back to my channel. With this video, I want to share the progress of my students from intermediate class. What makes me happy is because they know how to practice, how to think as they understand about the movement of not only the fingering, but about the logic of the notes. And I'm sure the more they practice, the more they will feel more natural with their movement. Of course, in everything we do, we have to practice and then we have to organically make ourselves familiar with that situation, right? So I'm glad that they really take advantage of this class, as this class condition them into that situation. Then when you strum everything, this one need to maintain. Yeah, that's why, when you press Re, you don't let go this one. So this two need to maintain. So if you need to play the Fa, you do like this. Then Re, use this one. Yeah, but these two need to maintain because that's the chord. Yeah, having said that, I think I've been using the name intermediate ukulele course for the longest time because we used to have a physical class in some of the community club, and then back then I thought about many things about many subjects of music, and then we practice it into ensemble. Circuit breaker or during the pandemic, so I maintain the same name but make it online. The problem about online back then is we couldn't play together as ensemble, so I used the intermediate course to teach fingerstyle actually. Having said that, now I officially changed the name of this online class into Fingerstyle Ukulele course. And since Singapore is more opening up, I will have some courses back into the community club. It's a physical class. Let me share some progress and what we are doing in the intermediate aka Fingerstyle Ukulele course. Yes. Yes. Very good.
I use this one because closer.
Sure. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. You have to sound T. Yes, that's right. Okay. Then Reva Reva is with this one. Yeah, you pluck the re. It means you let go the. Yes, and then T again. Strum again. Yeah, then Reva Reva again. Yes, then that's right. And then G Sol La. This is Sol. Your index. Yes, T. Then strum again. Yeah, T. Yeah, T do is like this. Yeah. Yes. Then La Mi. You press B flat with this one with pinky. Yes, La Mi. Then Mi pluck or strum with Mi. Yeah, then Cha. Yeah, and then boom cha cha boom. Yes. Yeah, that is good. Yeah. That's very good, Susan. Yeah.
Then,
So
then
yes.
how?
Do
Thank you.
do. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's very good. Do, three, four. Do, so, so. Yeah. Yeah. So, so, mi, re, ti. Okay, then la, so, mi, o, do. Yeah. Ti. Yes. Mi. Okay. Mi, fa, la, sol. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah, good. Boom. Yes. Very good. Very good, Gilbert.